What's the meaning of contender? Contender. Contender.
Contender. Contender. The word contender refers to a person, team, or thing that is considered a serious competitor or rival in a competition, contest, or similar event. A contender typically possesses the necessary skills, abilities, or qualities to succeed and has a reasonable chance of winning or achieving their goal. Being a contender can bring both benefits and drawbacks. On the one hand, it can motivate individuals or groups to work harder and strive for excellence. On the other hand, it can also create pressure, stress, and anxiety, especially if the competition is fierce and the stakes are high.